My name's Kyle Vanderveer, I'm the founder of Intrism, and this is Level 1. In this video, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about Intrism Level 1 so that you can make the best decision possible when buying one of our puzzles. Starting off with what you get in the box. You get 3 sheets of wood, 6 pieces of acrylic for the display case, the marble, and the included assembly guide. It has 47 pieces that you put together, and you don't need glue or tools. We also include a little piece of sandpaper in case you need that as well throughout the build. One of the unique things about building Intrism Level 1 is that you don't actually need the assembly guide. Unlike Intrism Pro and Mini, we've numbered the pieces for Intrism Level 1. If you don't want to use the assembly guide, you can start with piece 1, and knowing just the order that the pieces go, figure out how it goes together. It's more challenging to build it this way, but for people that want a super affordable marble maze puzzle, but maximize their challenge building it, this is the option for you. If you prefer more of the methodical, step-by-step instruction approach, then that's where the assembly guide comes in handy. Once you've built Intrism Level 1, you're only halfway done. Now the way you solve this puzzle differs again from Intrism Pro and Mini, in that the marble cannot fall off of the track. This is strictly a maze challenge and doesn't involve as much of the dexterity challenge as Intrism Pro and Mini. For Intrism Level 1, 2 of the corners have a checkerboard pattern on them. Your goal is to get the marble from one of these corners to the other. The reason we didn't label it start and finish is because it's reversible. This makes it so easy to hand to a friend and challenge them to get it back. This also makes it easy to set down and come back to and resume without any risk of losing your progress solving it. Throughout solving the marble maze, you'll notice a bunch of letters on the pieces of wood. On the bottom of the display stand, we've engraved the solution to the marble maze in the form of a series of letters. It'll tell you which letters are correct and which ones are dead ends. If you're still struggling to solve level 1, just like other models, we have a solution walkthrough available on our website or on YouTube. Once you're done playing with level 1, you can set it right onto the display stand. Being just a 4-inch cube, it's a lot easier to keep on like a desk within arm's reach, and you can use it as like a fidget toy, play with it during the day. Just like our other models, Intrism Level 1 is designed to be eye-catching. Show it off on a desk or shelf, and then challenge your friends and family and see if they can solve the maze. So that's the overview of Intrism Level 1. If you're looking for a great entry-level product at an affordable price point, this is the one for you. Whether you're buying it for yourself or for a friend or family member as a gift, you won't regret it.